Hawaii's most accurate weather with Kelly Simek.
Hello, everybody, and happy Wednesday. Setting up to be a really nice but really windy day today, and we're expecting a lot more of those passing showers to start to ramp up. Now, taking a look at the satellite, you can see just to the north of us, we do have some low-level clouds that are embedded in the trade wind flow, but take a look at what's just to the east of us. This is what's going to be bringing us a lot of extra rainfall in the coming days. Going to start to ramp up more so tomorrow, and because of that, we actually have a flash flood watch that's going to be going into effect for Big Island and Maui, and that's going to be lasting with us for a couple of days, but again, not in place until Thursday, tomorrow. But we're expecting the rainfall to impact us statewide. So even though it's mainly the eastern end that's under the watch, again, we could potentially be seeing flooding conditions with thunderstorms as this tropical moisture spreads over us. It's expected to start to come through late Wednesday for Big Island and Maui, and then we'll start to see it more so across the state Thursday, and then that'll last with us through Saturday. The area of high pressure still to the north of the state, still very strong and delivering us very windy conditions. It's blustery out there. We're looking at, once again, winds to 30, if not 35 miles an hour, with gusts even stronger than that. So very breezy day, and today, a slightly higher precipitation potential. So keep those umbrellas on hand, I'd say, for both the windward and leeward sections, but especially for the windward sides. As you can see, offshore showers being pulled onshore. It's all in the greens. We're not seeing those oranges, yellows, reds popping up, indicating the heavier showers, but it's widespread and very consistent, and with the winds on the stronger side, a lot of those are spilling leeward. So expect those showers to continue with us. Again, impressive wind speeds with winds in the 20s, so it's definitely very blustery out there. Now, because of that, there are advisories posted, and we now have a wind advisory in effect for portions here on Oahu as well. Of course, the last couple of days, it's mainly been the eastern end of the state, but now even the windward side, west and south shores here on Oahu, basically everywhere but central portions right there, are under a wind advisory now. Same goes for Maui County, and then Big Island Summit's also under that wind advisory too, portions of Hawaii Island. And then the green right there, that's where that flash flood watch will be going into effect. Boaters, small craft advisory, and then we also still have that gale warning in effect. So a lot going on, and it's all thanks to the very strong winds. Now, the winds not going anywhere anytime soon. We're looking at winds to 30, if not 35 miles an hour through most of the weekend. We'll start to see those taper off a little bit more so on Sunday, but during all those days, it's